This video is brought to you by PatientGuard, experts in medical device regulatory affairs and quality assurance. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and keep informed of our new content. Clause 6.1 of the ISO 13485 standard focuses on the provision of resources, which is a crucial aspect of an effective quality management system, or QMS. The purpose of the clause is to ensure that the organisation has the necessary resources to establish, implement, maintain, and improve the QMS. Resources can include personnel, infrastructure, equipment, or other resources needed to support the QMS. The standard requires that the organisation determine and provide the resources necessary for the establishment, implementation, maintenance, and continual improvement of the QMS. This includes ensuring all personnel have necessary competence and training to perform their assigned duties, that adequate infrastructure is in place to support the QMS, and that the necessary equipment is available to carry out the organisation's processes. The organisation should also ensure that the resources provided are appropriate for the intended use and are available when needed. The standard requires that the organisation monitor and evaluate the adequacy and effectiveness of its resources and take any necessary actions to improve their availability or suitability. One of the critical resources that an organisation must provide is personnel. The standard requires that the personnel be competent on the basis of appropriate education, training, skills, and experience. The organisation should identify the necessary competence for its personnel and provide training and education to ensure that they have the required skills and knowledge. This includes ongoing training to maintain competence and to adapt to changes in the organisation's processes, equipment, and technologies. The provision of infrastructure and equipment is also essential for the effective operation of a QMS. Infrastructure can include buildings, utilities, and other facilities necessary for the organisation's processes. Equipment can include machinery, computers, and other tools used in the production or delivery of medical devices or services. The standard also requires that the organisation ensure its infrastructure and equipment are maintained and calibrated to ensure their effectiveness and suitability for their intended use. If you like this video, then please click like and hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest videos from PatientGuard, making regulation easy.